Then if you want to look at economy and social organization, so you may talk about the marriage, okay? In marriage, you can talk about polygyny. So you may remember Connie Anderson says polygyny provides economic and political advantage. Polyandry. So Majumdar is there. Stephen Backerman is there. They see the relationship between these family. So you can say joint family is preferred in agricultural caste. Oscar Lewis, isn't it? If you talk about kinship, है ना, यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियर फैमिली कौन प्रेफर करेंगे? हंटर गैदरर्स में न्यूक्लियर फैमिली होगी. हु सेज सो? जो भी स्कॉलर स्टडी करते हैं, से कुंग को स्टडी करने वाले रिचर्ड ली, हु स्टडीड कुंग, याद रखने के लिए एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क वाला कुंग. दे हैव अ क्लिक लैंग्वेज. Kinship, so you can talk about somewhere we see bilateral kinship. तो bilateral kinship कहाँ मिलेगी? hunter gatherers में. Okay, who says so? So you can talk about the idea of Richard Lee, right? We talk about, say, matrilineal. So mainly the horticulturalist societies, they exhibit matrilineal, है ना? इसका एग्जाम्पल आप दे सकते हो, से ट्रोब्रियंट्स बाय मेलिनोस्की. Patrilineal will be found in the agricultural societies. Okay. That way you can see the relationship between social organization and economy. Similarly, you can see the relationship between economy and political organization. So you can talk about Kula. You can talk about potlatch. You can talk about Mocha. Right? So Malinowski, Boas, Sahalins. Right? Economy and religion. Can I bring in all the three? Kula, Mocha and potlatch religion के साथ आएगा. You remember the idea of Malair, Iban, है ना, पोर्टलाच में भी है. Marvin Harris will definitely come, undoubtedly. Max Weber would come. Protestant ethic and the spirit of capitalism. Right? Done? Economy and religion. Right. Okay. Now, Unit 4 syllabus. Thank you, dear. So if someone will ask you, say from Unit 3, impact of globalization on indigenous economic systems, can you address this question? Say suppose you have to write on hunter and gatherers. We have discussed what Patricia Draper had said. And similarly with everything we have discussed. ठीक है? What is the impact of globalization? ठीक है? अगर आपको ये लास्ट वाला टॉपिक में समझ ना आ रहा हो तो दिस वे वी हैव टू डिस्कस. हर एक के बाद में हमने चेंज की बात की थी. राइट? So next, fourth unit is political organization. And social control. Political organization and social control talks about band, tribe, chiefdom, kingdom and state. Concept of power, authority, and legitimacy. Social control, law and justice, law and justice in simple societies. Okay, this is the syllabus. And this is one of the shortest topic also. Okay, we'll study this under political anthropology. Okay. So the first thing, what is political anthropology? Study of the political aspect of men over time and place. What is political organization? It is that part of social organization that deals with maintenance of internal order and peace with the outsiders. यही काम होता है. इंटरनली लोग लड़े ना और बाहर से कोई अटैक हो ना. That's what the main function. How to ensure internal order? By proper enforcement of rules. The rules with regard to individual behavior. That means the rules would guide the social behavior, the economic behavior, political behavior, and all sorts of behavior. Right? So the main focus of political organization is the maintenance of rules, order. ठीक है? Order maintain करना political organization का काम है. समझ में आ गया? Okay. Now, main function of political organization is social control. है ना? That means people should obey the rules. That's what the main function is. Now, it talks about 4 different types of political organizations. One is band, that is the simplest form. Second is tribe. Tribe is another form of political organization. अभी तक आपने ये सुना था एक word tribe है, एक ग्रुप को रिप्रेजेंट करता है ना? Tribal societies. Here we will be referring this word tribe to a political organization. Tribe is a kind of political organization. Like band is a political organization, chiefdom is a political organization, इसी तरह से tribe is a political organization. Like state is a political organization. ठीक है? यहाँ पे tribe का मतलब क्या है? It's a form of political organization. Okay, so band is the smallest and earliest that might have evolved into tribe, that might have evolved into a hereditary chiefdom. यहाँ पे एक chief होगा जो कि hereditary होगा. Chiefdom का मतलब यही है. And then we have kingdom or state. Kingdom or state are much larger in size, in composition, right? They are more heterogeneity. There is more, you can say, codified laws. There is more centralization of power in a state. There may be different organs of the state. So these are some features of state. We are going to discuss the concept of power, authority, and legitimacy. So what is power? Power, according to Max Weber, is the ability of a person or an actor to carry out his will despite resistance. है ना? What is it? The ability to carry out his will despite resistance. समझ में आया या नहीं समझ में आया किसी को? Do you understand what is power? नहीं तो मैं एक्सरसाइज करके दिखाऊं. Okay, so second is authority. Authority is legitimized power. ठीक है? Authority is legitimized power. Legitimized means accepted power. ठीक है? What is legitimacy? Acceptance. This acceptance can be through various means. One, the acceptance could be through tradition, कि ऐसा ही चला आ रहा है. It could be through charisma, extraordinary skills, and it could be legal rational, right? Legal rational means constitution, laws, all these things. What kind of authority you will become tomorrow? Legal rational, right? Do you see any charismatic authority? नहीं, he is a legal rational. Anyone who has charismatic authority, extraordinary power, skill sets, वो भी लीगल रेशनल हो रखा है ना उसने, चाहे वो लीगल रेशनल ठप्पा लगाने के लिए ले रखा हो, वो भी उसके पास भी लीगल रेशनली थी effectively. They had charisma, undoubtedly the charisma might have allowed them to reach to that position, right? तुम सारे के सारे एग्जाम्पल्स ऐसे क्यों ले रहे हो? गांधी जी, यू टेक. गांधी जी वॉज ए कैरिस्मेटिक अथॉरिटी, है ना? कैरिस्मा था उनके अंदर. उन्होंने कोई पोस्ट तो होल्ड नहीं की थी, कोई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट पे नहीं थे वो कभी भी, है ना? सो गांधी जी कैन बी टेकन दैट वे, है ना? से कुछ बाबा लोग होते हैं, हाँ, यू कैन टेक मंडेला ऑल्सो, Buddha can be taken that way, undoubtedly. आज उनके कुछ वो भी रिलीज हो रहे हैं, कल के न्यूज़पेपर में शायद पढ़ोगे, कुछ उनके relics, archaeological remains that can be very relevant in Buddhist studies. ठीक है. So कैरिस्मेटिक अथॉरिटी कैन बी, जो ये बाबा लोग होते हैं इनके पास कैरिस्मा ही होता है जिसके कारण ये आपको बेवकूफ़ बना पाते हैं, राइट. ट्रेडिशनल अथॉरिटी मीन्स बाय ट्रेडिशन इट इज कमिंग, है ना. चीफ का बेटा चीफ, है ना, किसी का बेटा पॉलिटिशियन का बेटा पॉलिटिशियन, बट वो हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं चलेगा. यहाँ तो इलेक्शन जीत के आना पड़ेगा. बट जनरली इन ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज chief son, if they have a tradition कि वो ही बनेगा, so that's how acceptance comes. Social control. So what is social control? Regulation of behavior. How regulation of behavior? Through enforcement of laws, right? So laws are what? Norms. And when laws are enforced, they ensure justice. ठीक है, सिंपली यही है पूरा सिलेबस.